In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord icons not loading. If your profile pictures, server icons, or emoji previews are blank or stuck, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix. We'll walk through a few simple actions, starting with a clean restart of Discord and moving to a reinstall only if needed. First, let's fully restart Discord. Instead of just closing the window, we want to make sure the app actually stops running in the background. On Windows, open the Task Manager. The fastest way is to press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard. In the Processes tab, look for Discord. You might see more than one Discord process. That's normal. Select Discord and click End Task. This forces Discord to shut down completely, which is helpful if the app got stuck or cached something incorrectly. Don't worry, this won't delete your messages or servers, it just closes the app. Now, start Discord again. Use your desktop shortcut or open it from the Start menu. Give it a few seconds to connect and refresh. As channels and servers load in, check whether the icons begin to appear. A clean relaunch often clears up missing images and avatars because it rebuilds connections to Discord's image servers. If the issue persists, temporarily disable any VPN you're using and restart Discord again. VPNs can sometimes interfere with how images are delivered, especially if the VPN routes traffic through regions where certain content delivery networks are blocked or slow. Turn your VPN off for a moment, then close Discord the same way as before and relaunch it. If the icons load correctly without the VPN, you've identified the cause. Later, you can adjust your VPN settings, try a different server location, or set up split tunneling so Discord bypasses the VPN when you use it. Lastly, if nothing has worked so far, reinstall Discord. This replaces any corrupted files and ensures you're on the latest version. Uninstall Discord from your system's apps or program settings. Then, download the newest installer from the official Discord website and run it. When you open Discord afterward, sign back in and let it sync. Your servers, messages, and settings are saved to your account, so reinstalling won't erase your data. And that's all. A full restart, checking your VPN, and a clean reinstall are the most effective ways to get those icons loading again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Discord back to normal.